Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Newspaper is a premium WordPress theme trusted by thousands of publishers worldwide. It is specially built for high-traffic news websites, online magazines, blogs, and content-rich platforms. The theme comes with Tag Div Composer, an advanced drag-and-drop page builder that allows you to design pages easily without any coding knowledge. You can customize layouts, headlines, images, and content blocks in real time. One of the biggest strengths of the newspaper theme is its performance and speed optimization. It is designed to load fast, which is essential for news and magazine websites and also helps with SEO and Google rankings. Newspaper is fully responsive, ensuring your website looks perfect on desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. It also includes mobile-optimized layouts to deliver a smooth reading experience for users on smartphones. The theme is WooCommerce compatible, which means you can easily create an online store, sell digital products, subscriptions, or merchandise directly from your website. Newspaper also supports advertisement and monetization features, including Google AdSense, banner ads, and affiliate promotions. This makes it an excellent choice for publishers looking to earn revenue from their content. With multiple pre-built demos, you can launch your website quickly by importing a demo that matches your niche, such as news, technology, lifestyle, sports, or magazine websites. Overall, Newspaper is a complete WordPress theme that combines professional design, flexibility, and powerful features for content creators and publishers. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress theme reviews and tutorials. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next video.